measures conductivity, temperature, pressure, chlorophyll weight, dissolved oxygen percentage, transmittance, turbidity, depth, specific conductivity, and dissolved oxygen in milligrams per litre. Each one of these, because they're separate components, have got their own little serial numbers. So there's multiple serial numbers on each one of these little units, and then that's our central processing unit there. The most important thing is, I guess, is to remove all the caps. This machine is pretty much calibrated. It's just come back from the service, so it should be all calibrated.
So there's nothing specific each day we go out?
No. This machine you don't need to calibrate the DO or anything like that, like you would with a water meter. But a lot of the machines do need to rest at the top of the water for 2 minutes or 1 minute equilibriate. So I just turn it on. Place it at the top of the surface there. 2 minutes as per manufacturer's instructions. Yeah, so I'm just lowering this at the manufacturer's recommended speed. This RBR has auto setting, so it automatically calibrates to the conditions in the lake. This is a fairly highly productive lake, so the readings will be significantly different to Wakatipu or Wanaka hardware.
So you can feel it now on the bottom?
Yep, so it's just touched the bottom. So I can either pull that in by hand, I can use this.
So here's an example of a different type of CTD being deployed in a coastal situation.
So now it's been deployed, I just turn it off. And then I can download the data from the time that you have it. So. And then from there I just export it to the Excel spreadsheet. So each one of these colours is one of the parameters that it's measured, and then they correlate back here, it's just getting graphed.
What's the dip there that's happened?
It's probably where it's hit the bottom, and then I've brought it back up. Okay. So it's been going down. So there's your dissolved saturation of oxygen percentage.
Yeah.
So obviously got to whatever depth that is, and it's just disappeared.
Yeah, which is typical Lake Hayes.
Yeah, completely anoxic, and then I've started to pull it back up to retrieve it.
Oh yeah, it's a quick response, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, well, that's how long it took to put it down.
Yeah.
And it's at the bottom. I've set it up on there, and then I've retrieved it very quickly. The range has changed. So you see, this is for turbidity.
Yeah.
So the range has changed. It's gone from 500, then it's auto changed back to 125 for its range, and then down to 25.
Okay.
It just changes as it needs to. So if I say for turbidity, I can leave the setting at auto, or I can specify what range it should be measuring in.
Right. But as a rule of thumb, use auto.
We use auto. But I guess if you were using a water source where you knew that there wasn't a lot of turbidity, you could specify that you wanted to only measure it at 25.
Right.
This information will then, because it was sitting on the surface for 2 minutes, we don't need that data, because that's just calibration data or equilibrium data, so we delete all that. And then when it goes down and it's just before it touches the bottom, then we delete all the retrieval data as well. We just use the data as it's descending.
Okay.
Okay, so it's only went to 30 metres, so that was the deepest. And then, so if I wanted to go back to temperature, so it's 8.7 degrees at the bottom of the lake.
Compare with what was the top?
Probably a good 10 degree, 11.
Oh yeah. So there's nothing to be done post trip with the CTD itself?
No, just dry it out and decontaminate it. Make sure it's clean and
Yep.
you're not going to transfer any, replace the caps. Make sure you're not going to take any contaminated bodies back to Dunedin.
And between lakes?
Yeah, all between lakes, yeah.
Okay.
Replace all the caps.